this bandsaw. It's in beautiful shape. Nice shape. Heavy.
We have 3 simple rules for painting smarter and reducing waste. 1. Buy only what you need.
Affordable, doctor-trusted weight loss treatments tailored to you. These
Tried and drug can wipe you out in more ways than one.
It's Anna Raven for our friends at NHTSA. Here to tell you it's not worth it.
It's pretty much stripped down, get it inside, start cleaning. Yeah, this is the tabletop. I'm trying to get the best I can out of this. A lot of cleaning. Cleaning. Still cleaning up the pieces. And get them together. Let me sand it. Alright, there's coat of paint. Dry in the sun. Be like a so this is the way to paint it. Not the brush. Let it dry and probably bring that inside. Got the big pieces painted and drying. I'll take on this guy. Or the painted black. It's nice and neat. Watch this last piece. Now to flip those around. Okay, we'll soak these in the brake cleaner. Takes the paint right off. A little more to go. American made. Iron. Aluminum amount. Nicely made. The razor. Yeah, nice this brake cleaner works on here. Yeah. Nice, right? Look how fast it works. Blow this off, paint it. Gotta paint that. I got most of it sprayed. Use different colors, black, blue, and the gray, machine gray. Alright, let me spray these and then hang them, and I'll get to the next piece. I'm just waiting for the paint to dry. There's the body. Almost ready to put back together. Yeah. Maybe. In a mess. Mysterious motor. Motor works. I just sold a nice Dayton motor too that I had for years that I didn't need. And then been running for about 10 minutes, holding its own. So I think we're gonna good. Alright, this motor, I gotta get it to rotate. Totally. It says use pin terminal box. Interchange. Give it a shot. You ready? These are going to be fire and ice. Excellent. Windings are good. Suck it up under for rubbing. Equipped with ball bearings. Okay. We're at the halfway point. Everything's painted. cleaned, checked out. It's in excellent condition. Cast iron. Everything's made out of steel. Cast aluminum. I got new rubber neoprene kind shoes, they call them, I guess, or tires. This one's pretty indented from setting. Picture book online to display parts. Moved it 3 times already. Hopefully this is the last time. I like a little meat hanging outside. Just a little bit, at least a couple threads. And these little guys are weird. It's pushed up right against the bushing. Right there. Beauty. Start assembling some of the top. They have a mobile one. Wheel goes on here. Get these 2 down. I'm going to use, that's what we're looking for, and a Loctite. Yeah. Wheels on that side. Plate's missing. Something right in the nose. Holes are there. Get an idea. Be a little high, I'm tall. Just put on a lot tight. Remember, there was an order of dismantling. I have to double check. Like no. Locks. Look at these Allen keys. Breaking right on the edge. Loctite. Thread. I use extra long bolts. There's room. I'm in straight 8. Okay, it's time for the table. Guess we gotta get a hand under there. We're good. Final pieces in. Power King makes it, sells it, just like Craftsman did. It's all not the same thing. All right. When I bolt it down to this table, it's going to be a lot of pulling. I'm going to put 2x4s up here. Waiting for my shoes. New shoes for these wheels. I'll shim these out. It's going to be for my cover. Made the spacers, and then so I could keep it safe and extend it and over, out and over. Final pieces. Got my new shoes today, soaking in hot water. Should have fun getting these off. The rubber ones are hard as a rock. Tempting to get the rubber off. It's brittle, but it comes off. Got one spoke in the rubber mount, it's holding it nice. Mess up my wheels. Okay, just brought these in from the house. 140, 120 degrees or whatever it's on there. 120, I figure 140. By the time I get outside, it'll be maybe they'll just scoop right on there easily, huh? Oh yeah, you go on easier, that's for sure. That'll be cool as it's gonna get tight. Got some natural bend. Got the pulleys all set up. Sounds good. I was thinking about putting something on here. I don't know what. I'm missing one of these knobs. That's the only thing in the whole. I have to 3. I'll look on eBay. That don't match. A couple companies out there that can make them to any size. A couple dollars more, but it's a better quality blade. I don't want to keep changing blades. The tab. Take this adjustment apart, this 2-piece, because it was frozen. Give it a run. Fire it up. It's either going to make a ton of noise. Good no one. 2 inches thin blades. We'll turn them and cut right through this. They don't properly adjust. Okay, all done. Put your shoes on it. I'm gonna make a shield for it in the future. And cover the belt. I gotta figure out a pulley. I might have to slow it down a little, I don't know. So I get my new blades. These is a wood blade. Something I needed.